For Tuesday, December 1st, instead of doing a regular quick write, of course, first start reading for 10 minutes. And instead of a regular quick write, when you click on this, click here, and it's going to take you to this. You're going to watch the video, short video about practice. It's 30 seconds. And then you're going to put 10 of your quick writes here and pick one that you're going to focus on. So to do that, for example, yesterday's quick write, you're going to copy it. Again, you're going to copy the name of it, right click, copy, and then put the name here. Okay, so it comes out really, really big. Instead of that, you can just type it. Independent and just type the title there of the 10 quick writes you want to list, and then you just pick one, and on the second page you're going to complete these boxes, why you selected it, and one question that you have in the other boxes. When you're done with that, you're going to go to the next assignment, click next. This is where you click next. You have this chart, and again it's about argument. You saw some of this yesterday. Click it. I'm going to make a copy. And you're going to fill out the boxes at the top, your name, the date, your period. And these are the steps. On the left side here, for excerpt, you're going to either put green for ethos, logos, or pathos. Green is trust, yellow is facts, and blue is feeling. So the clues here are the things in bold. So we'll do the first one together. So Second World War, I'm going to highlight it as logos. I'm going to change the color to yellow. Let's try that again. Yellow. Here, let's redo that again. So change the color, highlight yellow. Okay. Now, number 2, it says select one for each box. So I'm going to pick one of these. There's one here. You can click on it to see examples. And for this box, it's illusion. So an illusion is a reference to something outside the text. So the example here is Romeo. He's a real Romeo with the ladies. And that's from the movie The Little Mermaid. So again, it's a reference to something outside the text. If you look back here, Second World War, Allies, that's a reference to historical events. So I'm going to choose illusion. Again, to choose it, I'm going to highlight it and make it bold. Did I do it? No, I did the wrong one. Okay, so to undo it, click this. Let's go back again, illusion. What you can do, which is probably easier, is just delete the ones that you don't think it is. Okay. Okay, we'll do that. Then the third box for effectiveness. Is it effective? Why does it affect the audience? But yes, it affects the audience by having them think about his history. And that's it. You're going to do the same thing for these 3 other boxes. Again, on the left side, you're going to highlight green, yellow, or blue, depending on what it is. And then from there, you're going to select one of these tactics. You can click them to learn more about them. And then once you select it, delete it. And then in the last box, type why it's effective. How does it affect the audience? If you have questions, send me a message. But on the left side here, you have to read this carefully. And the ones that are in bold are your clues. Okay? Have a good day.